dugay-dugay.
Ay na mo palugit. Sigurado na gani mo paras niya. Pag ingon niya, will you? Inko, yes. Kay musa pa din na.
Pag-propose na ako, birthday mo yan, December 12.
11?
Ah, sorry, 11.
December 12.
December 12, uli na ako Manila. December 11, ang young Eve sa birthday, nag-propose ko. Alas 2 sa gabi iba. Will you...
Alas 12, dili
Alas 2, alas 12. Gusto na kahit gahi ba? Alas 12. Ha? Alas 12. Alas 12. Nag-propose ko alas 12. Sabi ko, will you marry me?
Yes, sayon ko eh.
Sige. After that, dibiyan ako pa daw Manila. Ikaw na bahala magsulti sa imong parents.
And that was 26 years ago. On April, we will be celebrating our 27th anniversary. But tonight, or more, tonight is for you. We've always promised to give you the best. I've always said that the best is yet to come. So to all our Mocanos who are here, enjoy tonight. To all the visitors, thank you for coming. Because by coming here, puno tanan hotel, tanan restaurant, bibo ang negosyo. Welcome to Ormoc City. We hope you have a lovely, lovely evening.
Thank you so much for coming to Ormoc City. And kininto, di na magdugay-dugay dahi. Uli na ba?
Introduce our...
Nakatanaw naman tayo YouTube. Ewan naman sa mga kanta.
Okay, kunya ko palagi.
Gwapo ka rin sa Carlota kay Halo may tao. Ako na yung hatag tayo.
Hatag na.
Padayon na ta?
Yes.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let us celebrate love in all its stages here in Love Stages. Kauban na to, Casey Tandingan and TJ!